Alrighty folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. We are on day 6, 5, 6, whatever day this is, and we are on our last drive from, you see it behind me, Mocan, I was saying it wrong last night, Mocan Dragway to Tulsa. Where we end up. So we'll be bracket racing today. So we came in 9th out of 22 cars running the 10.0 class. We ran, as you saw, we ran another 10.3 last night. Our average was just below 10.5 at a 10.49 something or another. But hey, I'm super happy with that. Could we have done better? Possibly. Could we have made more runs and got some better times? Possibly. But it is what it is, folks. We came here with an untested trans, an untested motor in a quarter mile, and we came here and we've gone over 1,000 miles already and hit 4 different tracks already. We made 2 passes at each of those tracks, so we're up to 8 passes and over 1,000 miles on a brand new trans and a brand new motor. So I am over the moon ecstatic with the way Shake and Bake has performed. So I got to get another battery. This one's about to die. Let's start getting to Tulsa.
Many hours later.
All right, we're back in Tulsa, Oklahoma with the big boy Ram truck. Jay is happy to see his big boy Ram truck. I'm happy to see his big boy Ram truck, the trailer. We're about to download everything here. I didn't get our second checkpoint because there was a Karen there. She's not going to spoil it for me. I'm not going to go into it. It is what it is. We got in there, we took our picture, we drove off, and we're done with that. Now we're going to download the trailer. I'm going to take the trailer back. We're going to come back here. We're going to chill out, cool down, old Shake and Bake, and then we're going to make a run, and that's it. We're out of here and heading back home. So stay tuned. You're going to get a run here in a minute. Hey, that guy U-Haul, he's been on our butt the entire time. Check him out. That guy U-Haul, he's been tailing us on our tail for 1,258 miles.
A few moments later.
Tires? I don't care.
Not gonna get any tires.
All right, so this is the last time we're making this happen for now. I'll tell you, I'm gonna flip around and let y'all watch Jay for a minute, but I'm here to tell you I would not have made it through this if it were not for having Jay on my team. He has been 100% Don, you're driving, get out of my way kind of guy. And I truly try to tend to stay out of his way probably 90% of the time. I get in his hair maybe 10% of the time. Maybe more than that, I don't know. But I have no hair, so it's okay. I'm sure he'll tell you in one of his videos how much I got on his nerves, but I have not said anything about that. I know you haven't, but I know I've got on your nerves. I can tell. Or will I say anything about it? This is all learning experience. But it's been awesome, and I'm telling you, I don't think anyone else would help me as much as Jay has helped me during the last week during this event. He has been a super trooper, making sure I'm straight, making sure I know what I'm doing, and making it happen. And he is a huge part on why we made it this week. So shout out to Jay. He's my man. He's my man. He's my he's my dude now, and now we got 17 more hours to become even closer dudes.
Yeah.
Right after we do this run, we got 17 more hours to be closer. So like I said, we're gonna get this done and get out of here. We're back with our buddies. What's up, guys? TJ and yes, Cody, sir. Wherever he's at, passed out back here sleeping. I don't know where he's at. I don't know. He left us for now, but we're gonna chill for a few more minutes. We got the driver's meeting, and then after the driver's meeting, we break the beams. I'm not even making a pass. We're gonna break the beams, put the car in the trailer, and head home.
Several days later.
All right. So obviously this is a few days later. I told you all that in the last video. So I'm just picking up kind of where we left off. So we didn't make a pass in Tulsa. And the main reason why is we were ready to go. The trailer was turned in, everything was loaded up. We loaded up everything into the car. We loaded up everything else into the truck. We just wanted to break the beams and call it a day. Well, come to find out, they were having electrical issues at the track. So that also added to, hey, let's just break the beams and call it a day. Well, break the beams turned into drive by the bus, give a handshake, show them the two pictures of each picture of the checkpoints, and then we were on our way. So come to find out, one of Jay's straps was starting to buckle, starting to wear a little bit. So we found a Tractor Supply nearby, went over, picked up another couple straps just to be sure, just to be safe. Tied shake and bake down even better, picked up and rolled on from there. So it took us another 17 hours or so to go ahead and get back. But that's the main reason why we didn't break the beams or do a run, is because it was going to take them so long. It had already taken them 2 hours to try and fix the track. They were fixing it while we were doing everything else. So they had already been working on it for a couple hours. So we just didn't want to take the chance of waiting that many more hours before getting on the road and heading home. But to wrap it up, Rocky Mountain Race Week, would I do it again? 100%. Was it a lot of work? Yes. Was it a lot of fun? Yes. Was it worth it? 100%. So if you get a chance, you got to be there early. I'm telling you, the way I did it this year is the day the tickets went on sale, I was on 5 minutes early, sitting hitting refresh on my computer until I saw the ticket thing come up. As soon as I saw it, I hit it. So there you go. If you want to get tickets to Rocky Mountain Race Week or any of the other ones, that's probably your best bet to do. So hopefully y'all enjoyed the 6 days of Rocky Mountain Race Week. Jay and I had a blast. Just like I said in the video, I said it in a couple videos, and I've told him many times during the week, there's no way I could have got this done without him, because he put in a lot of work. And that's changing tires, tying her down, untying her, tying her back down again, loading up, unloading, putting the tents up, tearing the tents down, all of that stuff, and getting in at 11, 12, 1 o'clock in the morning, getting up again at 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning to make the next drive is pretty stressful, you know, on your body. It takes a toll, and that's kind of why we wanted to get started and get home. We were tired and ready to make that happen. But I'm going to do one more Rocky Mountain Race Week video, and that's going to tie all 6 days together, my thoughts, my feelings, and we'll go from there. But that's going to do it for this one, folks. Till next time, adios.